3 tips for overcoming camera shyness. Now, if you're a content creator and you struggle with recording videos and putting your content out there, trust me, I've been there. It's not an easy thing to do, especially if you haven't got a lot of experience. But I'm gonna give you 3 tips that will help you overcome your camera shyness. Number 1, make a video between you and God. Like literally, it's a between you and God video with the intention of never publishing it. You're not gonna show this video to a single soul. It's between you and God. Make a video, put that to one side, and that's for your eyes only. Number 2, go back and review that video and make a note of everything you don't like about the video. It could be your mannerisms, it could be maybe your hand movements, it could be how you're blinking or whatever it is. Make a note of everything you dislike about the video. Number 3, go back and record another one and repeat the process again. So use what you learned from your feedback, writing all your notes, record a better video and repeat the process until you feel confident to take the next step and publish a new video. Bonus tip, write a quick outline or summary of what you're going to be speaking about. It really helps to familiarize yourself with the content you're going to be speaking about. It's going to give you a confidence boost and it's going to allow you to focus on your on-camera performance. I hope this helps. Follow for more content creator tips. See you in the next video.